Let us look at the five kingdom classification in detail. The kingdom Monera consists of organisms that do not have a defined nucleus or organelles, that is, prokaryotic organisms. Some of the organisms that belong to this group are bacteria, blue-green algae or cyanobacteria, and mycoplasma. Organisms in this group are autotrophic as well as heterotrophic. Autotrophic means organisms that can synthesize their own food, and heterotrophs are organisms which get their nutrition from the environment. The next kingdom that we are going to see is the Protista. This group includes many kinds of unicellular eukaryotic organisms like algae, diatoms, and protozoans. Their mode of nutrition can be autotrophic or heterotrophic. They are unicellular and the simplest form of eukaryotes. Some protists move with the help of appendages. Some have whip-like flagella, hair-like cilia, or pseudopodia, which help them in moving around. The next kingdom, fungi, includes organisms like mushrooms, yeast, rhizopus, etc. These organisms are not capable of producing their own food like plants. They use decaying organic material as food and are therefore called saprophytes. Most of these organisms have cell walls made of a tough complex sugar called chitin. There are some fungal species that live in permanent mutually dependent relationships with blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. Such relationships are called symbiotic relationship. These symbiotic life forms are called lichens. The next kingdom, Plantae, includes all organisms which are non-motile and autotrophic. They are multicellular and eukaryotic with cell walls made up of cellulose. The next kingdom, that is kingdom Animalia, is the largest of all kingdoms, which include all organisms which are multicellular eukaryotes without cell walls.